Hey, I try salute to another welcome for Photo and Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see him. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button when there for inside this video. And also like, drop a comment for this video. Chelsea won and Crystal Palace 0. And we get Oga OPM make tell us about how insane team performance. Oga Hope, now how you see your team performance. For the Chelsea last 9 Premier League games, Chelsea get only 1 win. Before this one, Chelsea don't win again. Now how you see your team performance today?
Well, my brother, as it stands now, we all know say, as it stands now, Chelsea they under the administration. They under the administration. So with waiting they happen for Chelsea, no be new thing. Although say if we change coach, we know say we they get winning, and the winning they go well. But since the changing of this coach, this present one we get now, things has never been well with Chelsea. That is clear. Everybody can see it. Manager with a sack with this one. The former one gets pattern of football more than this particular one. You can watch, say, Chelsea they play ball. You as a coach, you cannot get up to issue out instruction. Even when you dey win match, you relax like say all is well. When all is not well, person when they lose self, you dey see him coach for touchline. They issue out instruction. The couple say the coach they fear the players as if say the players big person. But I don't understand. And this kind of coach, nobody can coach when he says supposed to coach Chelsea at all. The sacking of the former coach, a very big mistake to the owner of Chelsea presently now. So with the performance today, I don't see any changes. Just like say the players feel within themselves say, guy, this is not too much. Even though say I one match, Moku win. And you can see all of them. Watch Conor Gallagher. The boy was everywhere. Thiago Silva was everywhere. So what about the strikers? So my brother, I was even surprised to see the man for touchline. But the touchline went in there. Me, I don't see any influence on the players. The players they play waiting, they feel say they sabi, but not be waiting coach them. Like one of the units YouTube, when they always follow on Chelsea channel. The man say he get it when he go Chelsea training. When he reach Chelsea training, waiting some of the players play before you know the coach don't begin clap for them. And say he no see that kind of a team. As say the person play ball when he say he play for training, we need to clap hand. When they encourage the player. Say no be that kind of coach. Now we won for this Chelsea. If Chelsea won't make up to 4, this coach need to be changed.
Now, so I got up now. I want to ask you all the things where you dey talk now. And I say, make Potter go. To you now as a Chelsea fan, if Potter go, who be the coach where you go like me replace him?
My brother, we get coaches so. If not be saying our pride, the former coach when he be saying, I the owner say, we will back you up. Just 1 or 2 things will come when we say they don't feel understand themselves. But for now, when the man don't go relax, he don't see, he don't watch all in videos, he don't see all in mistakes. So I believe if they go back for that man is ready to come back to Chelsea. And again, when they look inside the market, Mourinho on himself is ready to come to Chelsea. Now the money. And those people can influence Mourinho with money. And Mourinho will come back to Chelsea.
Okay.
So by Mourinho there, Pochettino is there, Zinedine Zidane is there. So these 2 or 3 coaches, they are on the market. So if you can go and convince them, give them that picture of how you want make Chelsea be tomorrow. Those people are ready to come to Chelsea.
So, I want to ask you about Mudryk signing. Which you say Chelsea don't obey the player today. Today, for this viewing center, some Arsenal fans, they banter when I say, when I know the scout players, saying that then the scout players, when I could just come from nowhere. What do you get to tell all those Arsenal fans when say, when I go sign player, where they pursue?
My brother, you see, waiting there for markets. Now, or maybe let me use house rent. As in say, or land. As per collateral for this issue now. Now, you don't scatter land somewhere and say you won't go buy land. And me, I can say that place where you won't go buy that land, I still like that place. You don't say what in there involved for this football and money. Now, you go, you don't tell me what you table. And me, I come, I like that particular place. I still go back, go meet the owner of the land. How much you want to sell them? Ain't tell me. Now, me, I don't price waiting you. I don't price pass what you price. So it's not left for the owner to decide. I then go give you because everything for this life now is money. Now you come, say 100 million. Maybe ask me come say now 80 million. You know, go visit 100. You can't leave 100 say they go collect 80. So, my guy, now first come with the huge amount of the carbon rice, now you go pick up the player. And now what thing happen between Chelsea? If Chelsea, you know, they go scout out, and you go scout out, Chelsea, I go there, they see and say the player is good. Unlike the way me I watch him for YouTube, I don't see the performance of that guy. But another one, we say, can he deliver such a thing for Chelsea in Premiership? Because Premiership is just like the hardest, let me say, league in the world, which everybody can testify that. So, you know, for Shakhtar Donetsk in Ukraine, apart from Dynamo Kiev and Shakhtar Donetsk, these are the only two teams in Ukraine for their league that I can say will be logging head to head of who will carry the league. So if he's a good player, the way I'm seeing it, he can still come and deliver his time football career, and also let the people of Arsenal, they should stop about saying we went and scattered Chelsea come hijack. But brother, if you scattered, the money is here, drop the money and carry your players. Because for me to come, I table the money. The person will get the player don't say, oh boy, the money will they find. You understand? So Moku use this opportunity. After all, when they sign the player, they don't sign and reach that amount. And because they don't say they don't make them times 4 of what they take sign the young player. So the best thing, once you go scatter out, negotiate, by because you know say, not be only you, not be only your club, I idea for that particular players. There are other teams where we say their idea. So when it be things then they go well for you, any person can come from nowhere. Carry the Ghana must go drop. As soon as they drop her, it's gone. So now waiting there for that one.
All right, now go. Thank you for your time. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, we didn't lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you now as we take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.